today, let's have something healthy. Shrimps, eggs, and Kani as the protein of our pomelo salad. The main ingredient, pomelo from Davao. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Mel, also. Crunchy fried onions as toppings. Yum. Red bell pepper. Singkamas or turnips. Zucchini and cucumber and carrot, all julienned. Then we have tomatoes. And I had some leftover raisins. For sweetness, mangoes. Sauce, lemon, chili pepper, crushed pepper, salt, extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and honey and extra virgin coconut oil, and minced garlic. Put them all in a large bowl and mix them all together. Being careful not to crush them, okay? So I used wooden spoons and salad mixing spoons for this. And then voila, we put the toppings when you serve in the sauce. And then I had some pork and chicken from Patty Ann. Thank you, Patty. Travels, gardens, Ikinobo Ikibana, zero waste gardening, making money, painting, family, friends, prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.